Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Alina, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful glitter cut crease, and I'm also going to show you how to cut the crease when you have hooded eyes. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So for today's look, I'll be using this Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay, and first I'm going to go with the shade Ashes. I'm using a round crease brush. This one is Morphe E18, and I'm applying the eyeshadow where we're going to be cutting the crease. As you can see, I'm going a lot higher than where my actual crease is. If you have hooded eyes and you go with your natural crease, you're not going to be able to see your makeup when you open your eyes. That's why you have to go above it to create that extra lid space. I'm going for a blown out smoky eye today. That's why I'm placing my eyeshadow like that in kind of winged out shape. Next I'll be going with the shade Cayenne and a small blending brush. This one is Morphe 506. And I'm just lightly going over the edges of that darker color we just applied. You're gonna see me using this brush in every single video because I have like 10 of them and it's my favorite blending brush. Next I'll be going with the shade Sauce and basically doing the same thing, going over the previous shade. And again, I'm using Morphe 506. If you guys never tried this palette and like warm neutral colors, you're gonna love this one. These shadows are amazing. I barely had to do anything. They just blend themselves. I'm gonna go back with a little bit of the darker shades to bring back that intensity. Next I'm gonna use my concealer to cut the crease, and I'm using JH41 brush. It's from Morphe Jaclyn Hill collection. And this was actually the last time I used this brush because I got my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 18 and I already filmed a tutorial using that one, and it's so amazing, the best cut crease brush I ever had. Next I'll be going with the shade Ounce and set the inner half of my lid. I would normally use a more shimmery shadow as a base for glitter, but this palette doesn't have any and I'm trying to stick to one palette. So next I'm going with the shade Scorch and I'm gonna apply it to the other half. I'm using the Outer V brush by Makeup Geek to blend out the outer corner with the shade Ashes, the darkest shade that we used. Now using the definer brush, I'm gonna place the same shade Ashes next to my lower lash line. I also used the pencil brush after that to apply a little bit more shadow, make it darker and more intense. Now I'll be using Morphe 506 brush and the same shades that we used earlier, Cayenne and then Sauced. And I want to make sure I connect my lower lash line to the same colors that I used on the lid. Next I'll be going with my favorite glitter eyeliners from Urban Decay, and first I'm gonna go with the shade Midnight Cowboy and place it on the inner half. I start with the inner corner and then apply a little bit less towards the center because I want it to look blended into my next color. Now I'm applying the shade Catcall on the other side. If you make a mistake and that glitter transfers above your crease, just don't touch it. Wait for it to completely dry and then go with a small brush, like little detail brush. It will easily fall off. And I'm using the shade Ashes on the outer corner once again to make sure the shadows look blended into that glitter. Well, you can't really blend it like that, but I'm just lightly pressing the shadow on top of the glitter. It's gonna cover some of it, so it's gonna look nicely faded. To highlight, I'm gonna use my Becca highlighter in Vanilla Quartz. I'm gonna go over my cut crease with the shade Ashes, and I'm using a small pencil brush. This one is Morphe E36, just to make that color in the crease a little bit deeper. Finally, I'm gonna apply some Maybelline gel liner on my waterline, mascara and some lashes, and we're all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming makeup looks. I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!